Okay. Final one. Oh, this girl. Holy moly. I don't want to overdo it though. Maybe I will. Fuck it. This is already saved, isn't it? Yeah. God, I love this guitar, man. All right, it's too jammy. I need to go back to. Oh my. Oh, Minecraft jitter click. That was too slow. Felt like 8 clicks a second. Not my usual like 10 or 11. Actually, let's find out real fast. This is a stupid waste of time, but whatever. It still exists? Holy shit. I beat 10 or I die. Yes! There it is. Software errors are prevalent. It's easy to make them. Holy shit, too loud. And it's hard to find them. In this chapter, we explore topics finding and removing bugs. Integrated bugger. Debugger. True. True. Cool. Why is it making that noise? I don't like that. Fuck, why is it making... I don't know why the chair's making that noise. Oh. It's not making it now? Okay. Nope, too high. Yeah, there it is. Cool. Syntax error. Okay, so different ones. Semantic errors. So there's logic. So basically just really a human fuck up. Basically a brain design fuck up. Like an, oh, that's not what that does. Versus syntax is just, oh, an AI could have done that. Could have fixed that. Syntax error occurs when you write a statement that's not valid according to yeah, so those are all figured out at compile. Versus logic is probably figured out maybe at compile time if you have like an infinite loop or something. Like if you accidentally... Yeah, if you accidentally did... yeah, if you said for I is less than 5, but then you do I minus minus or minus minus I and you decrement your value, then it's never gonna stop because it's gonna keep on going lower and it's gonna keep activating and looping as long as it's lower than 5. But it's gonna keep getting lower, so it'll always be lower than 5. This includes errors such as missing semicolons, mismatched shit. Yeah, it's just syntax, dude. Easy peasy. Alright, don't show me. Don't show me. Main. Yeah, we're missing a parenthesis. A parenthesis. Int 1x. You can't start it with a number. We're outputting... Yo, why is there a semicolon there? What the fuck is triple plus? Yo, what the fuck? Yeah, operator triple plus ain't a thing, yo. And then we're returning without semicolon. Detect syntax errors and issues compilation warning. Cool. Yeah, I mean, that's easy. Val but violates other shit or doesn't do what the programmer intended. Probably the latter is making more sense. or more likely. Some kind can be caught. Common examples: undeclared variable mismatches. Then you gotta cast it to make sure. For example, compile time specific semantic errors. Yeah, well, you're assigning x to 5. How does that make sense? And then you're returning a string? How do you... Yeah, and this function returns an integer. So, you can't be returning that, buddy. Unless you can convert it somehow. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, good. And we say output A, B is 10 divided by 0. Oh, good. Well, says you, buddy. Says you. Oh, yeah, true. Yeah, that's undefined behavior. And then, yeah, we don't know what value it could be. Or, we're adding two integers. Well, you're returning the you're returning there's product, there's sum, there's the difference. There it is. Jesus. I'm like, what the fuck? The difference. That's just logic, dummy. Include. Wait, we're returning before we output. Yo? Yeah. Written the program, it's not working. Compiles, but you get an incorrect result. Yup. Yeah, I've been making this error a little bit when I am in Unreal, because I'll implement like a whole thing and then, I mean, sometimes I do the testing, but sometimes I'm just on a roll. Sometimes it works, but it's usually like right now with my inexperience, I've got like a year-ish, not quite. Probably a good like 9 months of Unreal Engine experience now. Maybe more, maybe about, yeah, probably 10, maybe 11. Well, I'm just figuring shit. I haven't been doing it the whole time because I was spending other time learning the code and learning Blender and not really touching it. So probably 6 months is more accurate. Good experience. So a lot of the time it's been just learning how to use something. So I can't really. I mean, I go on a run and I implement something, but then it turns out I didn't do it right because I didn't know how to use it. So I was just spitballing. All bugs stem from a simple premise. Something that you thought was correct isn't. Well, yeah. Yep. True. Yep. Yep. Nice. General approach. Find the cause. Where is the problem? Why is it happening? How am I gonna fix it? Fix it, test, and check other shit. Okay. Ice from the dispenser. Nothing comes out. Uh-oh. Okay. Hmm. Okay, makes sense, yeah. Yeah, it's like the house. I mean, the fucking boards in the front of the house are falling down. I put new boards up, but then I make sure that they can actually support the weight and whatnot over a couple days. So, sure, the boards stand up, but do they make sure that they don't fuck up the structural integrity of the house? Okay. So the issue is subtracting, not adding, or well, we're getting a lower number than we thought. The inputs to the function add are correct, but the output isn't. So the add is doing, yeah, I mean, I take a coin that works and I put it in a fucking gumball machine and a gumball doesn't come out. Well, the gumball's fucking up if I put it in properly. Oh, I want some gumballs now. Okay. Yeah, we found where he is. Yep. Why is it happening? We're subtracting instead of adding. Using the wrong operator. Operator minus instead of operator plus. Fix it and then try it again. See what happens. And there aren't any other things that depend on it, so okay. Strategy for debugging. Where is it at? I'm gonna do coding for 30 more minutes. I'm gonna stick to 3 hours a day. And if I don't hit 3 hours, then no game. So I'll subtract from gaming until 3 hours. So basically I do 3 hours if I can. And if I can, then we do game dev. So I'll do like 30 minutes of game dev tonight because I started coding 30 minutes late. So this will be a 40-minute video I'll upload. Fuck it. Maybe. Yeah. Because this is what I'm unskilled at. So find the bugs. Kind of burning calories rocking like this is pretty good.
Sure, I'd like to get into the computer field, but hey, what's the hurry? I can always start my training tomorrow.
Oh hell no, you better not, buddy.
To learn how you can train to become a computer programmer, operator, or technician,
There's my phone.
call control
It's saying to do game dev.
before tomorrow passes you by.
But we're not doing that yet. C++ takes priority because my job, my money depends on it, and VR gaming career depends on it. Because, excuse me, Unreal is probably going somewhere before C++ goes somewhere. So, are you kidding? Okay. Damn, the calories weren't a joke. I'm not sweating, but I got warm. Makes sense. If it's not printing, print's probably fucking it. If they're out of order, it's probably sorting. If they're not anything, then it's probably get names. Yep. Yep. Yeah, it's probably pretty tough. So what, stepping into and stepping over? You mean? Oh, good God. Yeah. Yeah, I guess true, because it could be, is it not passing the information to be printed? Is the printing not working? Is it the calculations that are wrong or null, and you had a condition that checks to see if they're null, and if they're null, then don't print them? Or is today just a day where there really aren't any recommendations? It's a fucking day that is do not buy, do not sell, hold. Oh, this ain't. There it is. I need to find something so I don't get tired of it. Let's do this. Okay. Well, yeah, the assumptions. That's the hard part right there, buddy. Yes, exactly. I like that. I love me some freaking breakpoints. I love that. And some prints. Love that. Like we're just putting little tiny balloons in the car. A bunch of spots are supposed to blow the balloons up. Other spots are not. We see a balloon blow up when it shouldn't. Boom. There's the place. We see it not blow up when it shouldn't. God damn. Executor, she better execute me, buddy. A red-haired baddie. It's only second. No, it's tied with a brunette baddie. Wearing black, red lips. Oh my soul. So, figure out the cause, basically, or what can cause it to happen. I need this song. Fuck, man. Damn, nothing. Alright, whatever. Yeah, so we figure out the cause. Okay. Let's see. Figure out how to reproduce it. Well, if I plug in... If I type in a letter to my calculator, it spits out a humongous number. Why? Okay, well, I figured out how to reproduce it. Where's the problem at? Is it what's receiving the numbers? Is it how those numbers are being converted? Is it that I don't have a condition that checks to make sure that the person is entering a number, not a letter? Maybe it's that. Okay. Keep on running it and getting information to figure out where it's at. How to facilitate the approach. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, reproducing can be fucking hard to do from the get-go anyways. It's like different assumptions about why it's being caused. Oh god. If you get crashes due to undefined behavior, oh hell no. It happens once and then never again. I swear my inventory still does that for the bandages. Because there was something when I was equipping bandages, and man, like I got hit while using it, and then it stops me because it kills the animation and sets you to stop using bandages. Or to not be bandaging. But depending on what the stack was, when you use the last bandage again, it wouldn't actually use it up. Seems like it works now, so fuck it. Works fine. Oh god, only certain computers have particular instances, certain input. Reproduction steps. Yeah, makes sense, yeah. I have a background in chemistry, so I mean it's not gonna be hard to figure that shit out. Then operational definitions in psychology. Yep. Yep, true. 50% is half of 100%, noted. We'll just do extra videos. That's fine. We'll keep on going here in a second.